If you need accurate weather where you're at, whether it's for work, your hobbies, or just because you're a bit of a weather nerd, I've got something here that you're going to want to see. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Tempest weather system. This was sent to me by the Weather Flow store to review and tell you about it. Let's take a look in the box. We've got warranty card, quick setup, and instructions. And here's the power cable for the Wi-Fi hub that you're going to install. And here is that hub. Light, easy, small, little antenna to pick up the signal. But down here is the heart and soul of the system. Here we have the Tempest sensor device. This is the unit that you are going to mount outdoors. It's going to send the signal to your Wi-Fi hub to get you all the local weather information. There are a couple of mounting options. This is the flat mount, which we're going to be using today. And then there is another mount also that will allow you to adapt it to put it on like a PVC pole or something out in your yard. Easy to set up. Let's go outside and do it. We're doing a surface mount today, which is easy. Just make sure with the mounting plate that you pay attention to the arrow. You want that to be pointing true north when you secure it in place. Let's talk now a little bit about the features of the Tempest sensor. Up on top, you have a light sensor, which is going to track ambient light, UV index, and solar radiation, and also a haptic rain sensor that detects rain by how much hits the top of the surface. Right in here, you're going to be getting your wind speed and direction. It's going to track that every 3 seconds. And then in this area with the fins, you're going to get your pressure sensor, your temperature and humidity sensors all hidden in there. And then these 4 panels are going to keep it fully charged with solar power. Down below, you've got a switch. You just turn that on, and then you're simply going to, again, pay attention to the arrow pointing due north and attach it to the base. Installation is that easy. And now we're ready to go inside and get our hub activated. Not much to activating the hub, simply plug it in. You're going to wait for the lights to turn green, and then you'll know that the Tempest sensor is working with your Wi-Fi base. Then once you've installed and opened the Tempest app, you will see real-time weather right out your door. You can see weather and radar for anywhere with the Tempest weather app, but when you toggle your home base on, you will see all of the weather observations right outside your door that are being provided with the Tempest sensor. You'll get all the important information right outside your doorstep, the outdoor temperature, rainfall, wind speed and direction, lightning detection up to 25 miles away, and much, much more. This also integrates with Amazon Alexa and other popular smart home platforms, so you can automate lights, irrigation, and other things based on weather in your backyard. There you have it, the Tempest Weather Station. It'll give you the best weather forecast for your exact location, no matter where you are. This is something I can highly recommend. Thanks for hanging out.